Your team get to the shelter immediately, and hopefully wait until the hurricane is over. Also, we have a statement with Team 805. Team 805. Tell us how strong this hurricane is.
Okay. Here's how strong Hurricane Lee is. This is one of the tropical storms in the world. Whoa. You see that? The house is blowing away and crashed to the parked car. Anyways, back to you, Android Major.
Thanks, Team 805. Now, signing off.
Hurricane Lee. Oh man. This is going to be epic.
Did someone say Hurricane Lee?
I did. I just saw the news about Hurricane Lee is coming.
Oh dear God. Hurricane Lee is the one of the tropical storms.
Hi guys. I'm back from Hawaii. What's going on?
Hurricane Lee is coming towards the hotel.
Oh man.
Attention, Hurricane Lee is now arriving towards the hotel. Evacuate immediately.
After the disaster is over.
Attention, the storm is now over. Some of the houses, restaurants, including the hotel is destroyed. But the hospital is not. 4 people are dead by the storm. So, see you soon.
Phew. The hurricane is over.
Yeah. Thank God.
Thank God my house is not destroyed. Anyways, see you later.
Anyways, I'm back from Hawaii. And also, I have the new piñata and the pancakes.
That's cool. We'll give away this piñata to one of you.
All you have to do is guess how many pancakes are there.
Leave a comment and let us know. If you gets the correct answer, wins the piñata. Make sure to hit the subscribe button for more videos. See you in the next video.